Hello comrades, I am Commodore Phoenix, comrade of the Asla. I am here today to tell you why you should join the anti-swag liberation army. Our generation has been corrupted by a disease called swag. Phrases such #YOLO are destroying our generation in all possible ways. This was why this group was created. Anyone can join, no matter what gender, what race, or beliefs and religion. We just ask one thing of you, to always be strong and fight for our generation. Here are Asla's 5 core values. 1. We are against any movement that promotes idiocy over intelligence. 2. We are against any type of Facebook page that extorts and leeches off others. 3. We are against any Facebook page that cares more for likes and publicity than the community. 4. We are against any Facebook page that overuses like horn tactics enough so that it is in breach of value 3. 5. All our admins shall act as a council, with all opinions taken into account. Now join the ASLA. Link below.